Here's how you use Scout. Scout is an interchangeable bracelet with dozens of interchangeable bands. How these bands attach, there is a fold-over clasp that opens from the inner area of the base. Fold-over clasp opens, you take the band that has an O-ring on the end, fold the clasp over, snap it in, then take the other side, put that in, fold over clasp, down. Attitude, and you are done. There's hundreds of tudes to change out, and there's dozens of bands to change out as well to make this your special bracelet. Now remember, the clasp opens from the middle section out, choose a band, put that through the clasp, snap that clasp closed. You can put that on your wrist, then you snap the other side closed, and then add a tude. It's easiest to put on and off the band with the tude out. So keep the tude out, put the band on, then add the tude after. And the same thing reverse on the way out. Take the tude off, then open the band, open the fold over clasp.